Hello everyone, welcome again. In today's class we'll talk about Unit 5 Biology. The subject of Biology Unit 5 Human Health, Nutrition and Disease. In last class we talked about some introductory parts regarding the nutrition part and also the definition of food. In today's class we'll talk about what nutrition is. So it's part 2. Let's see the points that are related to the concept of nutrition and nutrients. So, as you know, nutrition, it is just a subject, just like chemistry or biology, or it talks about specific application of science. So, nutrition refers to, it is the process of what? Taking in food and what? Converting into energy. So this is the whole process from taking in the food into the mouth, and after so many chemical process it gives energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, ATP. So this process, the engulfing or ingesting of the food and also changes to the energy such as ATP is known as nutrition. So from the nutrition or from the process of taking food into converting energy, we get the following key pointers. The food we eat, it keeps what? Keeps us alive, one thing, keep us alive. And also the food is important what? For growth. And also it is important, the food is also important for a repair for our body cells which are damaged by one or another way, damaged or worn out tissues. And also this food is important to maintain what? Good health. So the process of taking food and converting into energy is known as what? Nutrition. So what are the main benefits that we get from a food are? It keeps us alive, and also it's important for growth and to repair our damaged or worn out cells, and also maintain good health. ስለዚህ ምን ማለት ነው? የኒውትሪሽን ስንል ባጭሩ ምግብ ከጎረስን በኋላ እስከ ኢነርጂ ቴኪንግ ካገኘበት ጀምሮ እስከ ኢነርጂ ወደሚቀየርበት ስቴፕስ ነው አስ ኒውትሪሽን ብለን እንጠራዋለን ነው። ስለዚህ ምግብ ደግሞ ምንድነው? ይሄ የተመገበው ምግብ ምን ጥቅም አለው? ስለዚህ ከዚህ ተዋራናቸው ነገሮች ናቸው። አክቹአሊ አንደኛው በህይወት እንድንኖር አላይቭ እንድናደርግና ሁለተኛው ግሮዝ እንድናድር ያደርገናል። ሶስተኛው ደግሞ ሪፔር አወር ቦዲ ሴልስ በሌላ ምክንያት የተጎዱ ወርን አውት ያደረጉ ያረጁ ካሉ ዳሜጅ የተጎዱ ህዋሶች ካሉ እነሱ እንዳል ሪፔር እንዲያደርጉ እንዲያገግሙ ያደርጋል። and also maintain good health ጤናችን የተጠበቀ እንዲሆን ያደርጋሉ ማለት ነው። So the other point regarding this the nutrition part, the other point nutrients. So nutrition አየን። ቀጥሎ ደግሞ ኒውትሪየንትስ ምንድናቸው የሚለውን ያለ ኒውትሪሽን ካየን በኋላ ኒውትሪየንትስ ማለት ነው የሚለውን ደግሞ ለማየት እንሞክራለን ማለት ነው። So nutrients just they are what? Elements or just the chemical component of a food. አንድ ምግብ ብለን እንጠራዋለን፣ ነገር ግን የተሰራበት ንጥረ ነገር ነው as nutrient ብለን እንጠራዋለን which ነው as ንጥረ ምግብ የሚባሉት ናቸው በአማርኛ። So nutrients are important chemical substances that are found in a food. በአንድ ምግብ ውስጥ ያሉ ጠቃሚ የሆኑ substances they are known as nutrients ብለን እንጠራቸው። Nutrients they are what? Shortly, they are chemical substances which are found in the food. So we obtain these nutrients from the foods. Nutrients ደግሞ የሚገኙት ከምንድን ነው? Or they are found from foods what we eat ከመመገብ የሚገኙ ናቸው። So the five important classes of nutrients according to text are the carbohydrates 1, the proteins 2, the lipids which include the fats and the oils 6, The third, the fourth are vitamins such as vitamin E, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, and something like that. We'll see in details. And also the minerals such as the sodium chloride, the iron, and so on. And also the sixth is known as water. But water, it is served as, or it's studied under a food or under a nutrient based on its necessity. እነዚህ ንጥረ ምግቦች አምስቱ ዋና ዋና ናቸው እንጠራቸዋለን። ወተር ግን የሚገባው ምንድነው? ጀስት መጠናት ስላለበት አዝ ቫይታሊቲ ስለሆነ ቫይታል ነው ህይወት ያለ ውሃ ህይወትን ማሰብ የማይቻል ስለሆነ because it's vitality በጣም አስፈላጊ ስለሆነ ነው። vitality based on the vitality አስፈላጊ ስለሆነ እንጂ እንደ ኒውትሪየንት የሚሰጠው ኢነርጂ የለውም ወይም ፉድ ቫልዩ የለውም። ጀስት ፉድ ቫልዩ የለውም፣ ግን እንደ ምግብ ይጠናል አብሮ ማለት ነው። ሶ ኒውትሪየንት ምንድናቸው እንባል? ሲምፕሊ ዚ አር ኬሚካል ንጥረ ምግቦች ማለት ናቸው። ኬሚካል ሰብስታንስ ለምሳሌ ቁርሳችሁ ምን በላችሁ ለምናስብ just you say may bread ትችላላችሁ። you may say bread ትችላላችሁ። this bread is made up of what? A wheat. The wheat. Assume that made up of wheat. The wheat is what? A plant. It prepares its own food through a process known as the photosynthesis. So after photosynthesis, it converts what? C6 carbohydrates into H12 O6 H12 O6 chemical. Look, carbohydrate formula here now. This we are talking about the chemical substance you are running. So the chemical substances that are found in food known as nutrient ልንጠራቸዋለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ዋና ዋናዎቹም የምግብ ዘርፎች እነዚህ ናቸው። ስለዚህ አምስት ዋና ዋና የምግብ ዘርፎች አሉ ካል ምንድናቸው ሲል ለማየት እንሞክር። let's see what they are. So we discuss about the nutrition one, the nutrient. So these nutrients can be grouped into two, as you can see from the diagram. Macro nutrients can be grouped into two. Nutrients can be grouped into macronutrients and micronutrients. They are grouped under two, known as the macronutrients and the micronutrients. So the three nutrients, look, the three nutrients known as the carbohydrates, proteins, and fats are required in large quantities. Actually, these fats can be known as lipids. ብንጠራቸዋለን እነዚህ ልጅ ማለት ያ ጻፈ ሊፒድ የሚል ካገኛችሁ don't be bother የተለየ ነገር እንዳይመስል ሊፒድስ ናቸው። ሊፒድስ በውስጣቸው ሁለት ነገሮችን ይዛሉ። ፋትስን ይዛል፣ ፋትስ and also oils ይዛል። ስለዚህ what's the main point? The carbohydrates, the proteins, and also the fats, or known as the lipids, are required in large quantities. Such nutrients are called macronutrients. Such nutrients are known as macronutrients. ማለት ነው ካርቦሃይድሬት ፕሮቲኖች እና ፋት ወይም ደግሞ ሊፒድ ብለን የምንጠራቸው በቴክስታችን ነው ፋት ያልነው እንጂ they are known as lipids ነው የሚታወቁት። በሁለቱ ኦይል ተብለው የሚጠሩትንና ፋቶችን አንድ ላይ ፋት ብለን ይሄ ስም ማለት ነው። ኦይል ደግሞ ዘይት ብለን የምንጠራቸው ሁለቱ አንድ ላይ they are known as lipids ብለን እንጠራቸዋለን። ስለዚህ you can replace these fats into lipids ብለን እንጠራቸዋለን። ስለዚህ እነዚህ ካርቦሃይድሬት ፕሮቲን እና ፋትስ ወይም ሊፒድስ በብዙ ስለሚያስፈልጉ ሰውነታችን በብዙ የሚጠቀማቸው they are known as the macronutrients ብለን እንጠራቸዋለን። And also in contrast, minerals and vitamins are needed in very small quantities. Very small quantities are called the micronutrients ብለን እንጠራቸዋለን። ስለዚህ ኒውትሪየንቶችን micronutrients versus macronutrients based on what? The quantity. ዋናው መሰረት ያደረገው ነው ኳንቲቲ። ሰውነታችን በምን ያህል መጠን ይፈልጋል የሚለው ነው ኳንቲቲ። ኳንቲቲስ ዋናው ክራይቴሪያ መስፈርታችን ምንድነው? ሰውነታችን በምን ያህል ደረጃ ይፈልጋል፣ ብዙ የሚፈልገው ትንሽ የሚለው ብቻ በማየት all nutrients, the five nutrients can be grouped into two, known as the micronutrients, such as the carbohydrates. Look, you can hear the carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. They are not the macronutrients. There is something wrong in the diagram. This should be macronutrients, whereas the macronutrients includes the carbohydrate. This one is what? The micronutrients. The diagram shows some wrong concept. Look, just the macronutrients. Let me show you some correction on the diagram. The macronutrients goes to this one, whereas the micronutrients go to what? This one. This one. Have you seen? Just like this. So you can see the macronutrients goes to this side. I mean, the macronutrients goes to this side. The micronutrients, and also the micronutrients go to this one. You can exchange the diagram. So these are the main concepts regarding the macro and micro in diagram. So the vitamins and the minerals, what's the other feature that the vitamins and minerals, they do not supply energy, just the carbohydrate, the lipids, proteins, highly subtle, whereas vitamins and minerals, they do not supply energy. They are essential. However, they are essential for regulation of metabolic activities. They are essential for what? Metabolic activities. They are essential for metabolic activity in the body. ሰውነታችን ውስጥ ብዙ አይነት ኬሚካል ሪአክሽን ስለሚከናወኑ እነዚህ ኬሚካል ሪአክሽኖች metabolic activity የሚፈልጋሉ። they need አጋዥ ነው ያገለግላሉ ማለት ነው። And also they help in utilization of proteins, fats and carbohydrates. በአግባቡ ፕሮቲኖችን ፋት ብለን የምንጠራቸውን የቅባትና ስባት ነገር ያላቸውን ካርቦሃይድሬቶችን በአግባቡ እንድንጠቀም ያግዛሉ ሚነራሎች። ሌላው the minerals are also used for formation of bone structures and one skeleton. ይሄ ጥርስ፣ አጥንት የመሳሰላቸው ክፍሎች የሚሰሩ አማካኝነቱ በማዕድናት አማካኝነት። ስለዚህ ምንም እንኳን ኢነርጂ አይሰጡም ብንልም ለምን ያገለግላሉ ማለት ነው። አንደኛ ሜታቦሊክ አክቲቪቲያችን ጥሩ እንዲሆን ያደርጋሉ። ፕሮቲኖችን፣ ፋቶችን፣ ካርቦሃይድሬቶችን በትክክል እንዲጠቀሙ ያስችላሉ። and also ሚነራሎች ደግሞ ከዚህ በተጨማሪ የሰውነት ክፍሎቻችንን ለመገንባት bone structures such as skeleton entities ለመገንባት ያስችሉናል ማለት ነው። These are the main benefits of what? The nutrients specifically for the five categories. No, the next topic will be, we will talk about each and every aspects of the five important or main major nutrients next class. Until then, have a nice time. ቀጥሎ ደግሞ በሚቀጥለው ክላስ እያንዳንዳቸው ንጥረዎች ምንድነው፣ በእያንዳንዳቸው ያለው ጠቀሜታ ምንድነው የሚለውን ለማየት እንሞክራለን። ስለዚህ ላይክ ማድረግ፣ ሰብስክራይብ ማድረግ፣ ሼር ማድረግ፣ ኮሜንት ማድረግ አትርሱ። ስለወደዳችሁ ሼር ካደረጋችሁና እይታው ከጨመረ የሚቀጥለውን ክላስ ደግሞ ይዘን ለመምጣት እንሞክራለን። Until then, have a nice time. Bye bye.